Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Accounts and Sync. Then let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then choose who's going to use this device. So just mark the option, tap on it, and then we will be transferred to another step. Right here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to, we can check Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Just tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.